Good morning, Green Valley Clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with a doctor, please.
Of course. Are you a new patient?
Yes, this will be my first visit.
May I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Emma Wilson.
Could you spell your last name for me?
It's Wilson. Wilson.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
June 15th, 1993.
And is this your current phone number? 777-555-1234?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you. What brings you in today?
I've been feeling pretty sick since yesterday. I have a sore throat, a fever, and a headache. Before we schedule the appointment, could I ask if you accept my health insurance?
Of course. What insurance provider do you have?
I have Aetna.
Yes, we do accept Aetna.
That's great. Thank you.
Let me check. We have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Wonderful! Please bring your insurance card and a photo ID and arrive about 15 minutes early to complete some paperwork.
Sure. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. We look forward to meeting you tomorrow. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.